over 14 million UK drivers may be owed money, and it all traces back to a car finance scandal that's now shaking the country's biggest bank. In October 2025, Lloyds Banking Group confirmed it had set aside £2 billion to cover potential compensation linked to historic car finance deals. This follows a sweeping investigation by the Financial Conduct Authority into how dealerships and lenders structured car loans between 2010 and 2023. Here's what happened. Many car finance agreements included discretionary commission arrangement. That means dealerships could adjust interest rates to increase their own commission without clearly disclosing this to customers. The FCA believes this led to millions of drivers paying more than they should have. Now, Lloyds is preparing for a redress scheme that could reach up to £11 billion across the industry. That's one of the largest consumer compensation efforts in UK financial history. So what does this mean for you? If you financed a car in the UK between 2010 and 2023, whether through a dealership or directly with a lender, you might be eligible for compensation. The average payout could be around £700, but some cases may be worth significantly more. The FCA is currently finalising the redress process. Once it launches, affected consumers will be able to submit claims through a dedicated portal. You won't need a lawyer or claims company, just your finance paperwork and basic details. This isn't just about money, it's about transparency. Lloyds, often seen as a pillar of UK banking, now faces scrutiny over how much it knew and how long it waited to act. Other lenders are also under review, and the FCA is expected to release further guidance in the coming weeks. If you think you might be affected, start by checking your car finance documents. Look for any mention of commission, interest rates, or dealership incentive. Then, stay tuned for updates from the FCA and your lender. This story is still developing, but one thing is clear: millions of UK drivers could be owed money, and Lloyds Bank is just the beginning. Subscribe for updates and share this video with anyone who financed a car in the last decade. They deserve to know what's happening.